Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to sell on G2G. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then search for G2G. Then what you should do after that is to sign in or sign up using your account, and you want to go and click on Become a Seller on the top right side. Once you click on Become a Seller, you just have to click on Register Now, and you want to choose the type of your seller account. Is it a normal seller account or a business seller account? After that, you want to enter your phone number, your name, and you want to add your passport or your national ID. You want to have a photo of its front and the back, and add some information including your email address, your home address, phone number, and some information that are easy to use. After you go on the process of becoming a seller, it will take about 3 to 5 business days in order to have the approval from G2G in order to sell the products that you want. Let's say you want to sell game accounts, you want to sell coins, you want to sell specific items, boosting orders, etc. And after that, you can go and create offers on G2G. Now, let me show you how to sell and start creating an offer. And let's consider that I have made the account and I already was approved as a seller on G2G. Now, after you become a seller and log in into your account, you can simply click here on the top right side on create an offer, or click on your profile picture, then click on selling, then go and click on create offer. After that, you want to choose the type of service that you are going to introduce. Let's say that I will sell in-game accounts. You just have to click on accounts. After that, you want to choose the brand. Let's say the game that you want to sell the account on. Let's say that I want to sell Fortnite account, for example. You just have to search for Fortnite and it will appear just like so. Just click on continue. Then you want to select your rank, your outfits, the number of outfits, the number of pickaxes. Sometimes you will see the game in abbreviations just like Fortnite, the number of gliders, the number of emotes, etc. Here you should add the title of your offer. Let me show you how the title will appear. If we go here and search for Fortnite, then go to accounts, you should take a look on other offers in order to get your idea about how to create an offer on G2G or how to start selling on G2G. Here you can see here, this is the offer title. And when you click on it, you can see the offer description, just like so. So now let's get back here. Here you can add some media for your photos of the account. And here you can add the pricing and choose the type or the currency. Then you can choose between auto delivery or manual delivery. When you choose auto delivery, you will have to enter the credentials of the account in order to have it inside the website itself, and the website itself will automatically deliver the account. If you want to manual deliver it, you will have to provide the buyer with the credentials manually by yourself by going to the chats right here on the top right side. Then here you can find some chats from customers asking you regarding a specific product, just like this one right here. He was asking me about the Steam wallet code. After you finish, you can simply choose the country or region that you want to sell your offer to. You can select it globally, sell in a specific country or region, or exclude sales in countries or regions. Then click on publish and you're all done. And this is how you sell on G2G. If you find it helpful, please consider like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.